Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the paper number 4 of semester 2nd, that is microbial biochemistry. That is microbial biochemistry. The microbial biochemistry consists number of biomolecules like proteins, enzymes, amino acids, carbohydrates, and lipids. There are 5 important biomolecules that consist protein, enzymes, amino acids, carbohydrates, and lipids. So first of all, we will be discuss about proteins. Protein, it is a linear chain of amino acids. It is a linear chain of amino acids. The building blocks of proteins are amino acids. The proteins are made up of amino acids. So the amino acids that consist amino, it is a combination of amino and carboxylic acid, that is amino acid. So proteins are also, these are structural proteins and functional proteins. Proteins are of two types, one that is a structural protein and second one that is a functional protein. So the functional proteins, for example, these are enzymes, hormones. These are the examples of functional proteins. So the specific types of the linear chain of amino acid, they will be linked together with the help of peptide bond, and the number of amino acids these are connected in a single chain, these are considered as a protein, or it is also known as a peptide, because the bond which is present in between the adjacent amino acid, that is peptide bond, so it is also considered as a peptides. So protein that consists a linear chain of amino acid, one end, the protein consists one end is with the amino terminal and another one end is with the carboxylic group or carboxyl terminal, or it is also known as a C terminal, and amino terminal is also known as a N terminal. So to that, the specific types of the amino acid is like this. See, it is a chiral carbon, then here also that is a COO minus, then C NH3 H, and here the alkyl group, R group or alkyl group. It is the amino terminal, carboxylic terminal, it is a C minus NH3 plus. So these are the specific structure of amino acid. So it is a single amino acids. On the basis of alkyl group, these are classified into the number of amino acids. So to that, the specific carboxylic group that can carry the minus charge, and CONH3, that is a amino terminal that carry the positive charge. So the centrally placed the carbon, it is also known as a chiral carbon, or it is also known as a alpha carbon. So these are the 4 different groups are attached to the central carbon, so it is considered as a chiral carbon, because at one end it is with the amino terminal, another end is with the carboxyl terminal, one H atom at the one side at the H atom, and another one exactly opposite to the H, there is an alkyl group. So variability of this, the 4 different groups attached to the central carbon atom, it is also known as a chiral carbon, or it is optically active. So the specific amino acids are, all amino acids are optically active except glycine. Except glycine, all amino acids are optically active. So these amino acids are linked together with the help of the peptide bond, so it is considered as a peptides. So also the specific types of the proteins, it consists the linear chain of amino acids. So the number of proteins come together and form a peptide. Number of amino acids come together and form a peptide. So the specific types of the amino acids are variability on the basis of these are variable on the basis of the alkyl group attached to the central carbon. So these are polar, non-polar, aliphatic, aromatic, or polar, uncharged. These are the five basic types of amino acids on the basis of their alkyl groups. So for that, the specific types of the proteins are classified into the three types. It is on the basis of their structure, that is a primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Primary, it is a linear chain of amino acid. Linear chain of amino acids, only peptide bond is present. In case of the secondary structure, these are folded in a specific manner. It is either alpha helix or beta plated sheet, and the specific bonds are present in between the adjacent amino acid, that is hydrogen bond. In case of the tertiary structure, the protein or linear chain of amino acid is folded in a specific manner and number of types of bonds are present, like a hydrogen bond, disulfide bond, the specific van der Waals forces, ionic interactions are present in case of the tertiary structure. So two or more than two linear chain of amino acids are linked together, or they are come together and form a compact structure, is known as a quaternary structure. And here also all of these bonds are present in quaternary structure also. So primary, it is a linear chain of amino acid. Secondary, it is folded in a specific manner, only hydrogen bonds are present, it is known as a secondary structure. Tertiary, the specific linear chain of amino acids is folded in a specific manner with presence of hydrogen, disulfide, van der Waals and ionic interactions. So these types of the interactions or bonds are present in a specific structure, is known as a tertiary structure. And fourth one, that is a quaternary one. Quaternary structure, it is a specific structure in which or more than one amino acid chains are linked together with the help of different types of the bonds, and so it is considered as a quaternary structure. In tertiary structure and quaternary structure, the basic difference is that the interactions or bonds are same, but in case of the tertiary structure, there it is a single chain of amino acid, but in quaternary structure, two chains of amino acids or two linear chains of amino acids, these are folded in a specific manner and all these bonds are present in it, so it is considered as a quaternary structure. So these are the structural levels of proteins. These are structural levels of proteins. So in this specific topic, here the microbial biochemistry, it is belongs to the biomolecules, proteins, enzyme, amino acid, carbohydrates and lipids. Protein, it is a linear chain of amino acid. These are classified into the two types, structural proteins and functional proteins. Also the functional proteins are basically examples of functional proteins are enzymes and hormones. So the specific proteins are made up of amino acid. A linear chain of amino acids are linked together with the help of peptide bond. These are known as the proteins. So it is a general structure of amino acid. Then the structural levels of proteins are the specific types of the linear chain of amino acid that consists the only peptide bond, it is considered as a primary. The specific types of the linear chain of amino acid, it is folded in a specific manner, plus presence of hydrogen bond, it is a secondary structure. The specific linear chain of amino acid, it is folded in a specific manner, and hydrogen bonds, disulfide bond, van der Waals forces and ionic interactions are present in it. This is called as a tertiary structure. And in case of the quaternary structure, more than one linear chain of amino acid, it is present in a specific structure, but the specific bondings are same like a tertiary one. This is called as a quaternary structure. It is also known as a primary, it is called as a one dimensional, secondary two dimensional, tertiary it is a three dimensional, and quaternary it is a four dimensional structure of protein. These are the structural levels of proteins. Okay, here completed the topic, the proteins.